Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to this live. Today is Sunday, and everybody must be relaxing or getting ready for tomorrow, which is another weekday starting. So, my Sunday has been different and it's been so much relaxing. I can't even express to you that much relaxing, but I'll try my best. Anyway, so two things today I want to share with you. One is like about experiences. Yesterday, I shared with you a life full of experiences and how you create experiences for yourself, for your family, with your loved ones, and just with yourself. Looking around you, making small things make a big difference in your inner soul so that you can create this or remember that as a beautiful experience. So you might can do special things for you, or you might can create experiences in any small little things, and you can name it as experiences. So I just want to challenge all of you for sharing what was your today's experience. What was your today's experience? So for me, yesterday we went to this A.R. Rahman concert in Raleigh with friends, and it was so nice. Like Sia was with us, and it was, I think, first time we went to a concert with Sia, and again maybe after a long, long time. And it was beautiful. It was done nicely. It was worth it. The laughs and the singing and everything was really, really nice. And I would say that whenever you are listening to the songs and you are like in a concert kind of environment, I think like in after first two three songs, your brain is so much tuned and you actually are in the flow state, a meditation state, and you forget everything for that moment. Okay, so just share your everyday experiences. How did you create experience for yourself today? Now the second thing is happy friendship day. Happy friendship day to everybody here, and all my friends on Facebook here, all my friends on YouTube, all my friends on Instagram, and all my friends around me. And I am so blessed. I'm so blessed. I always find good people around me. I meet good people. I make friendships with very wonderful, beautiful, lovely souls. And I find myself literally so much blessed just because I have found such a good friends, very extremely good friends in my life. And I would tell you, even you don't have a lot of friends is fine, but if you have one or two people whom you can talk to and they will not judge you, and you can talk literally about anything, about anybody, about any situation, but they would not judge you. They might just listen to you or say something, and you feel so relaxed. And I am blessed to have those friends where I can talk everything, and I can say that is the best gift or the best thing in my life, to have a friend to talk to whenever I want and without getting judged. So literally, I just pray Krishna, I pray God that, okay, thank you so much for giving these friends, and so much thank you for creating so many beautiful more friendships around me. And maybe if you have those friends, then give a heart, send a message to your friends today, or talk with your best friend today and see how they feel, and just express your gratitude, express your love if you want to, because they anyway not expecting anything, you know that. So they are beyond that. Your friendship is beyond that. So that was the second thing I wanted to share with you today. And about the experiences, I think I'll tell tomorrow, because now I told yesterday's experience. Maybe today's I'll tell tomorrow. So now the second thing I told. And the third thing is about the 75-day challenge. So you will, when you hear the word challenge, it happens that you get a little bit stressed, or you say, okay, I have to do it for 75 days. Okay, I have Ganpati, I have Navratri, I have this, I have that, I have this birthday, I have this anniversary, I have this trip. So, how I'll be able to do it? And all these things are going to be still there. You do it or you don't do it. Think about it. So, uh, the intention is just that there are only 5 months left in this year. And if you and your soul and yourself, like, you want to feel little bit different, that you did something different in this year, and you just did not kept saying I'll do it, or this will happen, or finding this and jumping from here to there, but you set something simple to do, few things very simple, and then you be consistent at it. And I'm telling you, you don't even need to do 75 days. You can do it 21 days. You can do another 21 days if you want, another 21 days, because there will be three 21 days markers will be there. So you can start with 21 days, and you don't need to do the 21 days consistently 21 days. You can pick in 30 days, you can be consistent for 21 days, where in 9 days you can be yourself. So that makes it just the weekdays. Maybe on weekdays you can be more consistent, and weekends you can do whatever you want. But the thing is, like, the practices which I have shared in the 75-day challenge, they are not just to lose weight, to lose the body fat about inches on your body, but also prepare yourself internally, change your mindset, give you a lot of confidence, and also change your identity. So your change is going to happen at the identity level, slowly, steadily, and you will be doing anything which is going to come hence further to you with so much ease, because now your identity is changed. And over here we are trying to change the identity of becoming or being healthy. Okay, so you change the identity first. Okay, then you are going to do the work which is needed to be done, and then you're going to see the results. Okay, so, like, it's going to be you be first, then you do it, and then you have whatever you want to have. So this is one of the concept which is I have learned from my coaches. Like, it's a be, do, have approach. It's a be, do, have. So you be who you want to become, then you do what you are supposed to be doing, and then you can have whatever you're expected, whatever you want to have. So that's what is the challenge is for. I would say that start it. If you want the details about the challenge, you want the tracker for the challenge, then you can reach me. And if you want me as a accountability partner for a small energy exchange, you can reach me, and I will explain you, and you can start anytime. I'm going to talk about this next 75 days for sure, something like what shift happened, something if I want to share, along with I'm thinking, like, this month we can dedicate to the experiences, like the experiences creation, like, so that something which you do intentionally, and you can share with us here in the comment section, like, you created that as an experience. Okay, so that's what maybe would be such a wonderful thing uh, to the concept which we introduced yesterday of life full of experiences. So I love that theme, and I thought, like, okay, I'm also going to try my best to do create experiences this month intentionally. Anyway, they happen, but, like, when you do it intentionally, and when you do it with the intention of sharing with somebody, it will happen for sure, and you can see the shift happening. And also, like, I'm healthy, which is owning that identity, and not overthinking this particular challenge, like how many days, what, how, and what, and all that, because that's going to not let you start that challenge. And it's going to be so much flexible. It is because you're going to do it for you, and you will see the result. That's what I can guarantee, because I would say that, okay, I'll see the result. I'm going to share with you. I'm here. So let's see. like how that goes. So with that, I am ending this live. I hope you had a wonderful week which was gone, and you're going to have a wonderful week ahead, and I bless you. I give you all possible positive energy and blessings to have this coming week like a bestest week of your life. And with that, I am signing off and see you in another life. Bye bye.